Summer has finally arrived and the heat is unbearable. Sweden is a country with an average sunlight of approximately 2,000 hours per year, with most of that coming during summer and barely any during winter. For reference, the west coast of the US gets twice as much. This means that Swedish summers are especially precious and celebrated for us Swedes. However, since we are so used to the chilliness of the north, the increasingly warmer summer can also be especially intolerable. As a result, I've decided to show you how I make a super easy and tasty frozen fruit smoothie today. All you need are mixed frozen berries, water, and sugar or honey. The cooking appliance I'm using is a Thermomix, an especially powerful appliance that not only blends but also cooks and steams, among other things. Perfect for those who love to eat but aren't exactly great cooks. I can for sure tell that Thermomix has made my cooking life easier. Oppa and I can now finally cool ourselves down with some cat candies and frozen fruit smoothie. How do you cool yourself down during those extremely hot days? I would love to hear about your cool down tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!